In this video, I'll walk you through how I diagnosed and fixed an EVAP system leak that caused the check engine light to come on. The customer brought in their vehicle, and after confirming the complaint, I connected a scan tool to retrieve the codes. The scan revealed P0456 Evaporative Emission system leak detected, very small leak, and P0457 Evaporative Emission system leak detected, fuel cap loose off. Both of these codes point to an issue in the EVAP system, which prevents fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere. The system is designed to capture and store these vapors, so any leak, no matter how small, can trigger the check engine light. I began by performing a visual inspection of the EVAP system, including the hoses, lines, and connectors, but I didn't find any obvious faults. To dig deeper, I needed to ensure the EVAP system was properly sealed before performing a smoke test. A smoke test is a great way to locate even the smallest leaks in the system by introducing smoke into the EVAP lines and looking for where it escapes. After connecting a smoke machine to the EVAP system and inducing smoke, I found smoke leaking from the EVAP leak detection unit. This unit plays a critical role in monitoring the system for leaks, so any damage to it can cause issues. Upon closer inspection, I noticed the unit was physically damaged, confirming that it was the source of the problem. To resolve the issue, I replaced the EVAP leak detection unit with a new one. After completing the repair, I cleared the codes and performed a road test. The vehicle operated as expected, the check engine light stayed off, and no fault codes returned. This repair highlights the importance of a systematic approach when diagnosing EVAP system issues. If you're dealing with codes like P0456 or P0457, a smoke test can be an invaluable tool to pinpoint the source of the leak. I hope this video gives you the confidence to troubleshoot and fix similar problems.